Hello guys, welcome to this amazing course on architectural building design with AutoCAD software. I'm Engineer Prosper Okoye and I'm going to be taking you through this course step by step on how you can design amazing architectural designs for yourself or for clients. We are going to be talking about how you can make floor plans, elevations, sections, how you can make roof plans, and also how you can add furniture to your building project to make it look nicer and more appealing. But before that, we are going to talk about architectural design principles because you need to understand the architectural design principles in order to make your drawings or your designs according to standard and more appealing. And also to make the government approving agencies that you're going to submit your drawings to approve your drawings. So we are going to be talking about dimensions and sizes of different building components such as your doors, your windows, and every other architectural design principles. So that's what we are going to be talking about in this particular video course. So this course comprises of video tutorials as well as live classes where I'll be introducing you to several other real life projects, architectural projects, just to get your knowledge consolidated from the video tutorials that you have already watched. So in this course, we are going to be going through the AutoCAD fundamentals. We are going to be looking at the interface of AutoCAD. We are going to be considering all the features that AutoCAD has to offer, such as your lines, your polylines, your erase command, your trim command, and every other command that you can find on the AutoCAD interface. Because if you have knowledge of how to use these commands, you can be able to do any type of design that comes to your mind.